In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up and use the Tower Pro cordless vacuum. To charge the vacuum, connect the supplied power cable into the port on the battery. Then, plug the cable into a main socket. There are lights on the side of the battery indicating the level of charge. The battery is fully charged when all lights are on. Once fully charged, unplug the power cable from the port on the battery. To remove the battery, press the switch on the battery and pull it away from the vacuum body. To refit the battery, slide the battery into place on the vacuum body. To fit the extension pole, push it into the slot on the main body of the vacuum until it locks into place. If you would like to use the vacuum in handheld mode, press the release button and pull the pole away from the vacuum body. The accessories can be fitted to both the extension pole and vacuum body. Similar to fitting the extension pole, push the accessory until it locks into place. Included with the vacuum is a floor head, crevice nozzle and a 2-in-1 brush. To remove an accessory, press the release button and pull it away from the vacuum body. Included with the vacuum is a bracket for holding the accessories you are using. Simply clip the bracket onto the extension pole and slide your accessories into place. To begin using the vacuum, press the power button. The vacuum will initially start in a lower suction mode. Press the power button again to increase suction power. Once you are finished, press the power button to turn the vacuum off. Finally, when the dust container is full, hold the vacuum over a bin and press the release catch. Once empty, close the lid, ensuring it clicks into place. Your Tower vacuum is now ready to use.